1. March 8th is observed internationally as? Answer: A Women's Day. 2. The United Nations General Assembly adopted the decade of 2019 to 2028. Answer: B. Family farming. 3. Realism is a philosophical approach that argues that ultimate reality is the world of? Answer: D. Physical objects. 4. The poorest region of the world is? Answer: B. Sub-Saharan Africa. 5. Which of the following factors the classroom management? Answer: D. All of the above. 6. Teachers should read other books also except course books. What will be the benefit of it? Answer: C. Knowledge will be overall developed and they teach well. 7. Who is the father of communism? Answer: B. Karl Marx. 8. One who believes in the power of fate is known as? Answer: A. Fatalist. 9. HDI stands for? Answer: C. Human Development Index. 10. As per UN report, how many % of women in Pakistan is part of labor force? Answer: A. 20%. 11. Largest spoken language in the world is? Answer: A. Chinese. 12. A term biotype means? Answer: A. All individuals having same phenotype. 13. Custom of having many wives is called? Answer: C. Polygamy. 14. The philosopher who for the first time taught logic as a formal discipline was? Answer: A. Aristotle. 15. Who is called the father of both realism and the scientific method? Answer: A. Aristotle. 16. Which provincial government has issued driving licenses to transgender people? Answer: A. KPK. 17. True or false items cannot provide accurate criterion of evaluation because? Answer: D. All of the above. 18. The philosopher who is called the father of idealism is? Answer: B. Plato. 19. A person who loves everybody is known as? Answer: C. Altruist. 20. Government by the rich is called? Answer: D. Plutocracy. 21. There are three main duties of a teacher, which are? Answer: A. Teaching, regulation, and direction. 22. The students of Class V make too much of noise in maths class. The probable reason of this could be that the teacher? Answer: A. Is not well versed in teaching methodology.